now we will see difference between inertial and gravitational masses. Okay, like is there any difference, or are these two things same? So here we'll first of all see what is meant by inertial mass. So we know that what is the meaning of inertia. Inertia is tendency to resist the change in the state of rest or motion, right? So accordingly, why object changes its state? So the answer is when force acts upon it, right? So that force will try to bring that object in non-uniform motion. That means it will try to accelerate that object, correct? So at that time the mass we will calculate will be termed as the inertial mass. So it is about when the force is acting on an object and it will try to accelerate that object. So what is that mass and how we are going to calculate? So here we know that force is given by mass into acceleration. So in this thing we know that mass is given by force upon acceleration. So if I'm applying 1 Newton force on an object to accelerate that object by 1 meter per second square value, then we can say that object has mass 1 kg, right? So here we can say 1 kg mass. If 1 Newton force is applied and 1 meter per second square acceleration can be given to that mass, then we can say that mass is of the value 1 kg. Then we have gravitational mass. So again, what's the difference? So when that object is accelerating under gravity, that means we know that this is the earth's surface, right? And if you release any object from certain height, so it will automatically fall down because of gravitational force of the earth. So at that time also that external force is acting on that object. And what is that external force? Gravitational force. So here also we can give the calculation as force is equal to mass into acceleration, but here we have a special type of acceleration which has the value 9.8 meter per second square, or which is approximately equal to 10 meter per second square, and this is known as acceleration due to gravity. So in that case the gravitational force is given by mass into acceleration, that means m into g. So here we have that mass as force per unit g, correct? So if I want to accelerate that mass by this amount g, which is 10 meter per second square, so I need to apply the particular force, then in that case I'll say that mass is the gravitational mass, right? So basically it measures gravitational force exerted and experienced by an object.